Ever wished you could manage all your business communications without constantly switching between apps? You've got your ZenBusiness email, keeping things professional, but then you're back in Gmail for everything else. It's a bit of a juggling act, isn't it? Well, imagine a world where those two seamlessly intertwine, where every client inquiry, every team update, and every marketing campaign email from your ZenBusiness address lands right in your familiar Gmail inbox. No more missed messages, no more login acrobatics, just a streamlined, super efficient workflow that puts you in complete control. Sounds like a dream? It's not. In fact, it's a game changer for entrepreneurs and small business owners who are already stretching themselves thin. We all know the value of time, and anything that gives us more of it or helps us use it more effectively is a win. That's exactly what connecting your ZenBusiness email to Gmail achieves. It's about centralizing your communication, reducing mental clutter, and ultimately, making your business life a whole lot easier. Think about it. One inbox for everything that matters. The ability to leverage Gmail's powerful search features, its robust spam filters, and its intuitive organization tools, all while maintaining the professional image of your ZenBusiness domain. This isn't just about convenience. It's about efficiency and professionalism. When you're responding to customers quickly because you see their emails instantly, when you're not missing crucial updates because they're all in one place, that directly impacts your bottom line. It builds trust, fosters better relationships, and ultimately, helps your business grow. So, if you're ready to ditch the digital chaos and embrace a more integrated approach to your business email, then you're in the right place. We're about to walk through the simple, step-by-step process of connecting your ZenBusiness email to your Gmail account. Get ready to reclaim your inbox and your time. Now, let's dive into the nitty-gritty. The process involves two main parts. First, setting up your ZenBusiness email to forward messages to Gmail, and then configuring Gmail to send emails from your ZenBusiness address. This two-way street ensures you have complete control over both incoming and outgoing mail. Let's start with forwarding your ZenBusiness emails to Gmail. You'll begin by logging into your ZenBusiness account. Once you're in, navigate to the email management section. The exact wording might vary slightly, but look for something like email, email accounts, or manage mailboxes. Within this section, you should see your professional email address listed. Click on it to access its settings. Here, you're looking for an option related to forwarding or email forwarding. This is where you'll tell ZenBusiness where to send copies of your incoming emails. When you find the forwarding option, you'll be prompted to enter the destination email address. This is where you'll input your primary Gmail address. It's crucial to double-check for any typos here, as a single incorrect character will mean your emails won't reach you. Once you've entered your Gmail address, save the changes. ZenBusiness might send a confirmation email to your Gmail account to verify that you own it. If so, simply open that email and click the confirmation link. This step is essential to ensure unauthorized forwarding doesn't occur. Congratulations! You've just completed the first part of the integration. All emails sent to your ZenBusiness address will now automatically appear in your Gmail inbox. You'll start seeing them alongside your personal emails, which is a fantastic start. But what about sending emails from your ZenBusiness address using Gmail? That's where the second part of the process comes in. To send emails from your ZenBusiness address via Gmail, you'll need to configure Gmail's Send Mail as feature. Open your Gmail account and click on the gear icon in the top right corner. This will open the Quick Settings menu. From there, click See All Settings. On the Settings page, navigate to the Accounts and Import tab. This tab is where you manage linked accounts, change passwords, and import mail and contacts. Under the Send Mail as section, you'll see an option to add another email address. Click on this. A new window will pop up, asking you to enter the name you want recipients to see when you send emails from this address. This will likely be your business name or your personal name followed by your business name. Then, crucially, enter your full ZenBusiness email address in the email address field. Make sure Treat as an alias is checked. This ensures that when you reply to an email sent to your ZenBusiness address, the reply will automatically come from that address. Click Next Step. Now, this is where it gets a little technical, but don't worry, we'll walk through it. Gmail needs to connect to your ZenBusiness mail server to send emails. You'll need to enter the SMTP server details for your ZenBusiness email. ZenBusiness typically provides these details in their help documentation or within your email account settings. Look for SMTP server, outgoing mail server, or similar. The most common SMTP server address is usually smtp.zenbusiness.com or something similar related to their hosting provider. The port number is almost always 587 for TLS/Startles encryption, or sometimes 465 for SSL. You'll also need your ZenBusiness email address as the username and your ZenBusiness email password. It's absolutely critical to enter these details accurately. If you're unsure, consult ZenBusiness's support documentation or contact their customer service for the precise SMTP server, port, and security settings for your specific email account. Incorrect details here will prevent Gmail from being able to send emails on your behalf. Once you've entered all the SMTP details, click Add Account. Gmail will then send a verification email to your ZenBusiness address. Since you've already set up forwarding, this verification email will land directly in your Gmail inbox. Open that email and click on the confirmation link or copy the verification code and paste it back into the Gmail pop-up window. This final step confirms that you own the ZenBusiness email address and authorizes Gmail to send emails on its behalf. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully connected your ZenBusiness email to Gmail. Now, when you compose a new email in Gmail, you'll see a drop-down menu in the From field, allowing you to choose whether to send from your primary Gmail address or your professional ZenBusiness address. When you reply to an email that was originally sent to your ZenBusiness address, Gmail will intelligently default to sending the reply from your ZenBusiness address, maintaining that professional consistency. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.